Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip orange muffins. This makes about 12. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of chocolate chips, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of oil, 1 egg and 1 orange. You can substitute the orange out for 1.5 tablespoons of orange juice. Firstly, as an optional, I like to put a teaspoon of my flour into the chocolate chips and just coat them with a bit of flour. This helps them to stay uniform within the muffins so then they don't all just sink to the bottom. But if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. They still taste really nice. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your flour and your caster sugar. Then in a separate jug, grate the zest of your orange into your milk. Then juice your orange. Then to your milk add 2.5 tablespoons of orange juice and mix. Then add your oil and your egg and then mix these all together. Then add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and give a mix together until it forms a really nice batter. Then add your chocolate chips and mix well. Then in a pre-lined muffin tray, spoon your mixture into your muffin cases. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate chip orange muffins. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip orange muffins. Chocolate chip orange muffins, chocolate chip orange muffins, chocolate chip orange